Hi, this is Russ Toronto, and this is Ashley, our assistant here at Oval Sports Medicine. We're just showing some of the exercises we do in our clinic, so if anybody forgets them, they have a place to go, a resource to go and see them done. And if anybody else needs to know how to stretch, in this particular instance, the quadriceps muscle, you can look back on these stretches and get the benefit of somebody that is doing them correctly. The first stretch we're going to do, all you need is a bench or a stair or something you can put your foot up on. And then put your leg back like Ashley has at a 90-degree angle. Keep your other leg straight, and then just throw your hips forward a little bit. Push them out, and you'll feel it pulling right down across the front here. So if you feel it in here, you're doing it correctly. You don't need to move around. Just go into the stretch. Hold it for 15 seconds minimum. Do it for up to a minute. Usually have people do it 15 seconds 4 times, and that's a minute's worth. And then if you're doing it correctly, again, you'll feel it here. If you don't get your hips forward, you won't feel that stretch in that area. A mistake a lot of people make is just pulling their leg up. So why don't you show Ashley just pulling the leg up like that and pulling it right up to the buttocks. What that can do, it can pinch the cartilage or meniscus in your knee if you try to stretch your quad this way. I've had lots of people do that where they pull it up, pinch the cartilage, and then it gets sore along the inside part of their knee in doing so. So to stretch the quad, you don't need to do that. If you do it this way, you can get everything you need out of it without hurting the knee in the process. Another stretch you can do for the quad is to kneel on the ground and get in a similar position. So flip around and you put your knee on the ground, okay? So just kneel with the one knee. So this is the leg we're stretching, okay? And then you throw your hips forward, similarly to how we did on that. And again, you feel it pulling right through here. You can put that foot wherever you want to, just so you stay balanced. So you can move it out further if you want, like that, whatever you need to do, so you feel it pulling here. These are also good stretches for the front of the hip, as well as the quad. Same thing, get in the stretch position, hold it for 15 seconds minimum, do it up to a minute, and we're trying to resolve the quadriceps problem, or patellar tendonitis, or hip thing. We'll have people stretch 3 times a day, for 1 to 2 minutes, and it's better to do it little bits of time spread out than one big block, and that's all. If you're trying to induce a healing process in a tendon. So those 2 stretches, there's other ones you can do, but those 2 will get your quad adequately and also happen to stretch the front part of your hip. So those are quadricep stretches. Thanks.